Hi there, it's Pat Williams from TKO Software, and today I'm just going to show you how to create a set of links in a document that you can click on that'll take you to that portion of the document. So I'm just going to get straight into it. Let's take this particular procedure here, which is just an example, recruitment policy and procedure. And as you can see, it's quite a long document. And what you might like to do, you might have a sort of a table of contents at the start of the document, which then links to various sections. So for instance, I might put a link to this here, to this down here, or something like that. So these are actually called anchors, so I'll show you how to do it. So what you do, just click on Edit and go into the document. And the first thing you're going to do is create some anchors. So you go down to the areas where you want to link to, and let's say we wanted to link to how to conduct an interview. So what you do, you just highlight it, then you come up here to Insert and then click on Anchor, and you might just type in interview as your anchor text. And don't worry about too much. You just need something that's sort of practical so that you understand what the anchor is. And we just go OK. And then we go down, we find if you want to, you find another link where you might put in another anchor. So again, do the same thing and just go anchor. And this time we will just type in reference checks. And just keep it all one word. And I just do an underscore like that to keep it all one word. Don't have multiple words, or just use one word. But if you do like that, just reads quite well. Reference checks, you know what that means. So it's just an ID for the moment, and then and you just might leave it at that. So we've got two anchors within the document. Now let's say up the top we just want to put in sort of a kind of and I'll just call it, for the sake of links, and I'll give it a nice kind of heading, and then I might just put in here reference. Actually, the first one was interview, so I'll just put interview section and reference, and let's go with that. And I'll just highlight that. I'll give it a bullet. Now the next thing you do is you just click on that, and now we're going to make this a link. So you just click on that and then click on the Insert Edit Link, and now we just type into it. The first one was just called, and this is why it's important to remember what you call these anchors. And the first one we named it interview, so we just go add link, and then the next one, spell that right, but anyway, we'll just do it again, and then we go insert. You can do that this way, and this one was called reference checks, and we just type that in. So that's virtually referring to those IDs we created, and you always put this hashtag at the start, and then you just go add link, and then you're done, and then you just update the document, and nearly there. And then we just look at that procedure. So I might just open this in a new tab, so we can keep that open just in case we've made an error. So we'll click on the new tab, and there it is. There you can see the links. So now as we click on these, you'll take us, see it's taken us to that section in the document, how to conduct interviews. And if we go back to this one, reference, and see it's taken us to that. So that's how you create internal links within a document. Thank you for watching. Cheers.